traders, welcome to my YouTube channel Agile Trading. So now let me show you today's date and time. So today is 7th of December 2020 and currently time is 10:03 AM. Now coming on to our today's trade, traders, I have taken a trade today in Bajaj Auto. You can see our trade is going on and we are aiming for risk reward ratio of 1:4 and trade is going on. So traders, today here I am on the bearish side in Bajaj Auto and I have sold 5 quantities by maintaining my maximum risk appetite of 100 rupees. Okay traders, so now I am pausing the video, and when it will hit our target or stop loss I will update you and I will explain you the logic after the trade gets completed. So traders, as the stock is showing some momentum towards our target, now we are trailing our stop loss to our cost price. Okay traders, to prevent us from any kind of loss today, so I'm modifying my stop loss which is at our cost price. Okay traders, so it was a quick update. I will update you when the trade get completed. So traders, I am trailing my stop loss more to this swing high that is here. Okay, so I'm modifying my order. So we have sent our order. It will take some time. Okay, done. So our order has been modified. It is a stop loss. So now traders, I am again pausing the video. So traders, here you can see that our trade stop loss was got hit. Okay traders, so what did we got? So traders, we exited our trade, or our stop loss was got triggered here at this candle, and we got a risk reward ratio of 1:1.32, which is also good. Okay traders, so now let me explain you the setup or the logic why I took a trade here. So coming on to 15-minute time frame. Okay, so traders, as I uploaded on Instagram account, my analysis was in Bajaj Auto that a triangle pattern was formed. Okay traders, so here you can see a breakout was given. So what I did, I came into the 1 minute time frame. Okay traders, yes, so when this breakout came, okay, so our retracement came and then again it tried to go downside, so I entered there and our trade got started. So this is what happened, we trailed our stop loss and suddenly our trailed stop loss was got triggered and we booked a profit of 1.32 risk reward. So simple traders, we entered when a breakout came and we were targeting with next support or resistance, but what happened is that our trailed stop loss was got triggered. So that's what's the trade traders. So traders, this was the today's trade. Hope you learned something from this and enjoyed the video. So thank you for watching the video and have a good day.